Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple process of approving message requests on Gmail. Whether you're looking to connect with new contacts or simply want to manage your chats, following these easy steps will have you sorted in no time. So, let's get started. 1. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. Look for that familiar red icon and tap it to launch the app. 2. Once you're in, locate the Chat tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where you'll find all your chat activity. 3. Next, tap the message with the plus icon, which you'll find at the bottom right corner. This icon signals that there are new message requests waiting for your approval. 4. Now, select Message Requests. This section contains all those chat requests from people who are not yet in your contacts. 5. Finally, review the message requests and approve the ones you want. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to manage your message requests on Gmail effectively. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks.